Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in historic Norcross, the downtown part of historic Norcross, to check out some German cars. The name of today's car show is the Deutsche Klassic, so we're going to be seeing everything from Porsches to BMWs, Mercedes-Benz, everything. So we're just going to try to walk down here and look at these classic Porsches, as you would say. So this one is a 1960 Roadster with the convertible top. You can see the 4-speed transmission on the floor. This is a 1957 356 Speedster. Also manual, I believe. Yeah. So 4-speed transmission. I like the simple dials. Very thin steering wheel, like a wood rim steering wheel. This is yours? Beautiful, like it. And then we've got this, what I would assume to be like a sunflower yellow 356 Speedster as well. Seats look a little aged. Still got the 4-speed transmission. I like the green backlighting on the dials. You got the oil temp, you got the fuel gauge, the odometer, speedometer. I haven't seen one of these radios in such a long time. This car is very classic. And then coming here, we have the 356 coupe with the luggage on the back. Just gonna walk down the line. We have the 1979 911 SC with the Targa top. What I like about this is the whole top just comes off. I don't know if you have enough trunk space in the front to put the top, but that's one of the appeals of this. You can take the top off. This one is an unrestored 356 coupe. Seems like the seats are not original, or he may have some kind of padding on the inside, but it's a 4-speed. Walking down the line, that's a very nice red. Looks like it may have been resprayed. The paint is way too perfect, but yeah, it's got the top open, and you can see the little engine back there. This black one, very nice as well. All right, so this was the Porsches. We're gonna keep walking around and all right, so we got a nice big Benz here. It's a 250S Benz. We got an E30 M3. Wow, very nice. You can see 5-speed transmission, and of course the classic look of this E30. Every time you see them, you just gotta stop, just take it in. All right, so as I was watching the 250S Mercedes, I saw the BMW Z8 from the corner of my eyes. So definitely had to come check this one out. Then we got an R32 Golf. Another 968, I believe. Another E30. Nice little selection of classic 911s. Wow, this one looks kind of chunky. Now there is a train track that runs right through the city of Norcross. So just as you would have it, I'm making the video and the train decides to come right through. got a Carrera RS right here. Looks a little beaten up, but does have a roll cage on the inside. It looks very race car-esque. Amphicar. Oh, it's one of those car boat type things, amphibious cars. It's a 1965 Amphicar 770. Wow. Wonder if it really floats. There are life jackets on the back. That's very funny. Fire extinguisher on the floor. And it is a 4-speed, and that's a very odd looking 4-speed. So to go from first to second, you pull to the left. Wow, that's different. I've heard of those transmissions. I've never seen one. All right, we're gonna keep going. It's a 1986 Opel. Oh wow. This is definitely a character right here. If you look on the dash, he's got handcuffs and everything. This is a 1986 Opel. Oh, 280 SL. Yeah, I had to double back and look at the Mercedes 288 SL. Has the hood up. Very nice car. I love these. It's a 1970. Looks like original leather and everything on the inside. The paint looks very, very clean. Everything that's chrome is chrome. Looks very well restored.
For me was it.
And that's the 280 SL convertible, the Pagoda over here. Very nice. Got the M6. Walking by some Porsches. BMW 3.0 STL. CSL, sorry. CSL, a race car. So we're gonna just go all the way up, swing around, and then we're gonna go into this parking lot here. I see some 914 Porsches. We're gonna try to get our way over there. Quite a healthy crowd out today, checking out the cars. Hey, we got some four-legged friends as well. Seem pretty well behaved. 944 Porsche with the pop-up headlights.
Oh, nice. Sure.
928. 914. This one has the Golf livery on it. Don't know if it came originally in that color, but it does look good with that Golf combination. Another 944. Got the M6 over here. And the 8 Series BMWs. This is probably an 850i, I guess. Another E30. Do love the 914s. For a long time, those cars were so cheap and underappreciated, and now all of a sudden, anything Porsche has just kind of skyrocketed in price. All right, so I must say the BMWs are well represented today. Everything from M5s, M6s, 8 Series, E30s, E39s, and 46s. I don't know much about the Heartage spec on these, but there are quite a few of those with that sign on it. Never been one of those BMW enthusiasts, even though I did own one. I never really got into the naming scheme and the engine codes and the chassis codes and all that stuff. But I know mine did have an N55 engine, which is the inline 6 with the twin scroll turbo. And that's about all I needed to know. All right, so here we go. Is this the 2002? That's what I kind of thought it was. This is not the TI, this is just the regular 2002 BMW. And let's swing around this way.
Yeah, keep checking my room in the closet.
Alright, so just as I mentioned, I'm gonna go across the street like clockwork. Here comes the train again. So it is pretty busy, but I can see a bus, a VW bus. Let's wait for the train to pass and then we'll go. Oh, that was a pretty short one. Right, so we are now walking across the train tracks. It's the direction they've been coming from all day. Is that a Scirocco? I see a Scirocco from here, VW. But let's just see what's going on this side of the street. So we got the VW Bug and the bus. I like that bus, the yellow. We got the Bug over here. 1951 Bug. This is a Type 2, I guess. VW Type 2. Yeah, I believe it is. Very nice color. Very nice. This is a Type 3 Fastback. Type 2, Type 3. A few more bugs. And then like clockwork, the train is coming again. We got a Bug here with medical livery on it. Common Gia. Love those as well. Guys, well, this one really threw me for a loop because I know this is an Audi engine, but somehow he got it in his Scirocco, and only 25 hours of shop time to get that done. Wow, blown away. Maybe it's a common thing, but I thought it would have taken a lot more. This is an 81 Scirocco here, another 81. Then we got a VR6. No, that's a Jetta. VR6 Jetta. Alright, so what I'm looking at here, this looks like a diesel 5000 Audi. Oh yeah, it is a diesel engine. And wow, the interior is pristine. And it has like a 5-speed manual. That interior is really clean. That is really, really clean. 5000S, this is like an 81, 89. Oh, who cannot fall in love with a topless VW Rabbit? If it's topless, I'm in love. And they're beautiful. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support as always. I'll see you on the next one.